Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you through what's in the 30-piece Master Electrician Insulated Toolkit. This kit provides an array of tools designed to give any electrician all of the tools they need in one convenient kit. The part number is TK-591. And let's dig in and have a look. First up, the bag it comes in. This bag has 48 storage pockets to hold all your tools in place and features a durable, water-resistant base to protect it from the elements. It's our Technician's Tool Bag / Backpack, part number BP-100. And here's what's inside. Our 1000 amp digital clamp meter, part number ACM 1000. A GFCI outlet tester, part number GFC-1. 4 insulated pliers, part numbers INP 1072, INP 2065, INP 3062, and INP 4065. 3 insulated Phillips screwdrivers, part numbers INS 180, INS 2100, and INS 3150. And 4 insulated slotted screwdrivers, INS 475, INS 4100, INS 6150, and INS 8175. Our telecom long nose pliers, part number JIC 21257. Our 8-inch pump pliers, part number JIC 5028. Our Lineman pliers with fish tape puller and crimper, part number JIC 685. A set of 7 nut drivers ranging in size from 3/16 inch to 1/2 inch, part numbers ND 630316, ND 63014, ND 630516, ND 6301132, ND 63038, ND 630716, and ND 63012. A pair of safety glasses, part number SG-5. Our 25-foot Mammoth Instalock tape measure, part number TM25. Our heavy-duty utility knife, part number UKN-3. Our non-contact dual-range voltage detector, part number VT1100. The electrical panel knockout kit, part number WBK-100. And last but not least, our stainless steel curved wire stripper for 10 to 20 gauge wire, part number WSS-1020. So whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle electrical projects with confidence, the 30-piece Master Electrician Insulated Toolkit is here to make your life easier and safer. Say goodbye to constantly searching your toolbox. Everything has its place, making it easy to find the right tool when you need it most. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.